In this lesson, we'll use a hue and saturation adjustment layer and use its masking abilities to recolor a specific area without permanently altering the underlying layers. So I like this yellow here, but we could add some analogous colors to it to give it some variety. We're going to add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. Before I do that, I want to prep my document, meaning I just want to add that hue and saturation adjustment layer here in the yellow-orange area behind the blue layer. So I'm on the orange layer. I'm going to do a select, load selection, click OK. That selects that yellow-orange area. At the bottom of the layers panel, I'm going to click on the black and white circle and then click on Hue and Saturation. I'm going to play with the Hue tab. Take the Hue tab to the left a little bit and it starts to turn the color orange-red. And that's great. That's what we want. Look at the layer mask here. The white area is the only area that's showing that color. If I get a black in the foreground color for that mask, I could paint black on the mask to reveal the yellow underneath it. That is pretty cool, right? And here we go. Go with the lines of the art to make it look like it's going with the artwork itself. Turn that layer off to see the before. Turn the layer on to see the after. Hue and saturation layers are great because you can go to the hue and you can play around with the colors. If you don't like that color, you can go the other way. You can make it a different color, like a light green, which goes with that orangey yellow. The mood is totally different now. It changes the mood. Those colors make me feel like the character feels like the character is getting sick. So colors play a huge part in telling a story visually. Command S to save. Let's review the layers here. I'm going to click on one eye and drag down to turn all of the layers off. I'm going to click on the orange layer to see what I have here. Click on the hue and saturation layer to see what I have. Click on the blue layer to see what happens. Click on the dark blue layer to see what happens. Now it's your turn. Pick one of the panels of art from the asset folder and follow the tutorials for this week and paint in a full page. And submit the PSD with all the layers intact so the instructor can see your work.